and maybe more arrests will be made. I personally feel let the law takes its own course right now because investigation is on. We have already made an arrest for not less than 34, 35 plus, so maybe more will be arrested who are directly involved in this particular uh, uh, case that has happened that night. So let us complete all these procedures. Once it is arrested, once we have done everything, so the investigation will tell us what is next to be done. The arrest is on, so I can't say exactly how many more, but those people, those culprits who are involved will certainly be arrested. Was damage to the people of the state. See, why should we talk about CM alone or about Deputy CM alone? We talk about the damages intended by these people. Because see, the moment they wanted to create law and order means the damage goes to whom? The damage goes to the people. Be it rich, be it poor. So that's what I'm telling you. See, we cannot just play in the name of law and order for your self-interest, for your own interest, for your own intention, right or wrong. But as I said to you, police and the government is here. We are committed to maintain peace, to maintain law and order at any cost.